Hello, everybody. This is Kathleen Dion with PivotalCollegeYears.com. Today, I'm here with a message about federal student loans and how they're damaging graduates' credit. I decided to make this video because in the last few months, I've had several clients come to me because they had significant dips in their credit score and they didn't know why. Upon further investigation, we discovered it was a lack of payment to their federal student loans. There are various reasons that I've seen my clients miss payments. Some of them honestly didn't know they were in repayment. They thought they were an income-based repayment plan with a zero required payment. Various reasons. Sometimes the communication between the servicer and the borrower just broke down because the servicer is using the information that you provided to them when you originally signed your master promissory note. That could be up to 8 years prior. So, I needed to make this video to let you know that if you filed a FAFSA when you went to college, or if you're currently in college and you don't know how you're paying for it, you need to go to nslds.ed.gov with your FSA ID and password and see if you're using federal student loans. Because here's how it affects your credit on the other side. When you go into repayment, and you're not making payments, over the course of your education, just for a 4-year bachelor degree, you could have up to 12 loans in total. So when you're missing a payment, although you make one payment a month to your servicer, and they split it up and apply it to each loan individually, when they report it to the credit bureau, they report it 12 times every time you miss a payment. So I've seen clients that have up to 60 missed payments on their credit report. Some of the servicers are willing to work with you, give you a reprieve. If you provide a good answer for why you weren't making the payments, they might remove it from your credit report. Others are not providing any reprieve at all. So it's really up to you to try to manage this process. Get online, figure out how you're paying for school, know if you're using federal student loans. And if you're someone who has not consolidated, if you do miss payments, that's how it's going to be reported, and it's going to have a major impact on your credit score. Being an informed consumer is the only way to combat issues like this. So if you are someone using financial aid to help pay for school, especially if you've recently graduated or dropped below half-time status, you're someone that's going to come into repayment. Go to nslds.ed.gov and see what your financial aid situation is, if you used loans, and know whether or not you should be expecting to make payments. Don't let your credit score go from 750 to 550 in 6 months. That's dramatic, and it will absolutely limit your financial choices in the future. To get more information on this topic and more, visit PivotalCollegeYears.com and join our online college planning community.